Hello. So this is the Python program for uh, for displaying uh, this clock which you can see. So this is made using Python programming language, and it uses a Turtle Graphics module uh, code from this module. So first we have to import our Turtle Graphics library into our program, and then we create a screen using this command turtle.screen. Remember that this S is capitalized, and then we create a setup which says this screen, which you can see this screen is 500 pixels by 500 pixels, so its length and width is 500 by 500, and it starts in the leftmost corner, top left corner of the window. So, and then the screen will have a screen size of 480 by 480 pixels, and with a color of C0, which is this gray color that you can see. And then we create a turtle named as Dawn. You can it is you can name anything to our turtle. So I have just named now Dawn, which is equals to turtle, and then we have a capitalized T turtle. So our Dawn will be new turtle. Uh, I have assigned its value to 1 width. So whatever drawing it you can see. So this is one width, and then we hide the turtle uh, because we don't want to see the turtle. We only see the animation which it makes. Then we scroll down to our code and come over to this line which says if name equals to string main. In that we are calling a function is draw time, which is this function, and then turtle dot done. So one thing you have to know that this turtle library is made upon tkinter library. So this done comes from that tkinter. So in that tkinter we have a main loop, so we can also write main loop instead of done. Then we will just follow our draw time function. So in draw time function we see that we have an endless while loop, which is always true. Uh, then we have our then we have our time object, which takes the system time uh, from this date time, import date time function. So we create three variables known as second, minute, and rn. So in second day we store the seconds part. So uh, it is a call. It assigns three part to this object, which first is second is minute, then is hour. Then we clear our frame, so the screen is cleared off. Then we draw one frame at a time, and then we update that frame. So frame is, so this screen is our one frame. So if the time stops, it will be a one frame. Then we go into our draw frame function. There are a lot of functions that has been used. Uh, so I'll just okay. So first is dawn. So first the starting point will be our minus 200 and 200. So which is over here. So x-axis in minus 200 and then we have 200. So this is our starting point. Then we drop our pen and then draw our square. So then we draw a square. So in the draw square function, that is here, we go to our starting function, then we pen down, then we go forward, then take a right 90°, then go forward, then take a right, then go forward. So that's how we, after we reach the starting point, we remove the pen, or we pen up over here. Okay, then we draw our watch face. So this is these markings is our watch face. So then we go into our watch face. So this is our watch face function. First we uh, so in every function we first pen up, and then where we go to our particular location, and then we pen down. So for in this function, first we are creating these R markings, which are these big markings. So we go to our uh, home, then we select our color to black, then we move X, then we move right towards X, and then we move forward to 150 points from that, and then we pen down. So basically what it does is it go to this home. Okay, then it goes to, so first we it goes to 0°. So that is this is in this direction it will point, and then it will go forward 150°, then it will pen down, and then it will draw this line, and then it will pen up, and then it will move. So you can see this is a range with a step of 30°. So then it will come to this home, then take a rotation of 30°, then go 150° forward, 150 points forward, and then draw a line of 20 points. Okay, so this is how these markings are drawn. Then similarly these markings for minutes are drawn. Then we uh, change the color to blue for the second, and then we draw our, so basically this is minutes, this is, so we go into draw hand function then, which is over here. So in draw hand function we first start with pen up, then go to our home, then pen down, then take a rotation. Okay, so this is rotated to some angle, then move forward, and then we go back to our home. Okay, so pen up, So if I remove this one line, if I make it comment, it does not have any function. Okay. Now after drawing these 3 seconds similarly, uh, we go to our particular location, which is this point, and then we just write this function, write our name exasub.com, and then we create this print time is printing this time that you are seeing over here. So this is a script for this displaying this animation.